I became an accountant because when I was a senior in high school, my dad said to me, if you become an accountant, you'll always be able to get a job. And I found that I was pretty good at basic math, and I liked keeping things in order, and I liked processes, and I liked the fact that I'd never have to worry about getting a job.
Accounting just made sense to me. Accounting has rules just like math, so I really enjoyed something that told me if I could do it or not. It's a big puzzle. It's figuring it out, putting it in the right place, and organizing the accounting data. An accountant can find a job anywhere. Every business needs accounting staff. If it's a large company, you can be an accounts payable clerk. You can have a niche carved out in your accounting group.
Lone Star is really unique in that the education you get here, one, is on par with any of the major universities, and what you have is the ability to go in a bookkeeping program to get an entry-level position, moving all the way up to the CPA exam. You can take CPA preparatory courses here at Lone Star that are accredited by the State Board of Accountancy. And that's very rare. It's a very difficult thing. And that's what we like about it at Lone Star is you have that range from entry-level to senior-level people. Lone Star brought us Marcia Gibb, which is one of our best employees, and we've been extremely thankful for that because Dr. Lynn Dawson called up one day and said, I've got a shining star in our class and we want to know if you've got some room for it, and we're growing, so we said yeah. And Marcia has grown from starting out as a bookkeeper, moved to junior accountant, moved into our systems team to become a systems consultant, and became a migration manager responsible for managing the migration of new clients from our systems team into our outsourced bookkeeping and controller team. And the education she got at Lone Star is comparable to any of the major universities. We think that Lone Star gives a tremendous value, and it's right here in town, so it's a great place for us as a local business owner to find students who are really smart and just looking for that entry-level opportunity.
When I first started college, I wanted to become a pharmacist. And during my second year of college, my counselors told me that I needed to have more business classes. Since I had already taken accounting in high school, I thought that accounting in college would be pretty easy. So I signed up for my first accounting class, and after I got done with the class, I noticed that I was more suited to becoming an accountant rather than a pharmacist. And with accounting, you don't have to stick with one specific area. You can go to tax, you can go to auditing, financial statements, so there's a real need for accountants out there in the community. The courses at Lone Star College-Kingwood give you a solid background and understanding of your accounting basics. Rather than going to a large university which could have hundreds of students in a classroom, Kingwood allowed me to have that one-on-one time with the professors to fully understand the basics. The professors at Kingwood really taught us how to dissect and understand those accounting problems and got us ready for the hard work that was to come. Yes, I would definitely recommend Lone Star College-Kingwood. You get to transfer, I think, up to 66 plus hours. All of my classes transferred. The counselors were great in helping me determine what classes I needed to take to fulfill my degree in accounting.